Hello friends, in our previous videos we have learned how to draw a bar graph and a double bar graph. Today we will do how we can answer the questions asked when a bar graph is given to us. Let us begin. Here in the present question, a graph is given where along the x-axis some years are given. Year 2003-4, 2004-5, 2005-6, 2006-7 and year 2007-8. These are all the sessions given. And along the y-axis, here is the number of students in a class in class 8th. Number of students 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 and 400. So from here we may say that it is the information about the number of students of class 8th of some school in particular sessions. Here what we have to do, we begin with these tips. We join this tip, the top of all the bars with y-axis values like this. We make a dotted line and join these tips. We may take the help of a scale also and join these all the tops of these bars with these values like this. It is the first step we have to do. Now we can say that in the year 2003-4 the number of students is 100. In next year it becomes 200. In 2005-6 session the number of students was 250 and next year 300 students are there. Finally in the year of 2007 and 8 the number of students is 350. So this is the first step to start the answer. Now we come to the questions of the given bar graph. First, what information is conveyed in this graph? Some graph is given and we are asked this graph is about what? Here we can say that this is the graph of number of students of some school studying in class 8 in particular sessions. So we write what information is conveyed. It is about number of students of class 8 in particular sessions like this. The next one is in which year there is maximum rise in number of students. Here the bars, height of bars is increasing every year, means number of students is rising and maximum rise we have to check. In first session it was the 100 and second session it becomes 200. Therefore rise in students is 200 minus 100, it is 100. The number of students increased here is 100. Next 2 years it is 200 and here the value is 250. The y-axis will give us the values. Now here the rise is 250 minus 200, it is 50. Next the jump is again 300 minus 250. Looking at these values, 300 minus 250 again 50 and here 350 minus 300, the rise in number of students is again 50. Therefore we see that in these two sessions the rise is maximum, the rise of 100. So we write in which year there is maximum rise. In 2003 4, this one, to 2004 5. And what was the rise? 4 5 has 200 students, minus 3 4 has 100 students. This gives equal to 100 students, like this. Next one, which year has maximum number of students? Here the rise is not asked. Maximum number of students means the graph of which year is maximum. We see the heights and this is the maximum graph. Number of students is 350 in the year 2007-8. So we write in which year maximum number of students is there? In 2007-8. And number of students is equal to, in 2007-8 it is 350. The next question asked is it true that the number of students in year 2005-6 is double that of year 2003-4? Here 2 years are given. We write students in 2005-6. It is there. The number of students in 5-6 is 250. And the students in 2000, next year is 3-4. 2003-4. Students are here 100. So is it the double? The double of 100 is 200 and it is 250. So we write no. It is not true. So in this way we can give the answers of the question asked when a bar graph is given to us. Now let us practice the sum of double bar graph. Please do the similar sums from your course book and do the practice more. In the present question, a double bar graph is given because the bars of 2 colors are shown to us. One color is orange and the other one is green. Let us study this graph carefully. Here on the x-axis it is given maths, SST, science, English, Hindi, means subjects are given along the x-axis, and along the y-axis marks obtained by a student. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 etc. These are the marks of one student given along y-axis. And this is the scale, this is the symbol. Orange color represents year 2005-6 and green color shows year 2006-7. Means these two colors show the marks of the student in two particular years, 2005 and 2006, and the green one is 2006 and 7. Now let us see the questions. The first question say, what information is conveyed in this double bar graph? Again, we have done along x-axis subjects are there, y-axis gives marks obtained by a students in 2 sessions. So we will combine these two informations and write the information conveyed in this double bar graph is the marks obtained by a student in different subjects in, we have to mention these 2 years also, in 2 consecutive years. This information is given in this double bar graph. Second question, in which subject there is maximum improvement? Improvement of marks in the bar graph of green color. Here it is the improvement because green color is more than the orange. Here is also improvement. This graph is bigger. Again the improvement. Here is decline, the downfall in the green color. So these marks are reduced. And here, because these two colors are of same height, so there is no improvement or there is no decline. There is no change in the marks. So in the present question, maximum improvement we have to check, and this is the maximum gap we can see. Otherwise also, when we subtract these two values, it is 30. We write at the top all the marks. It is 30. This marks is 60. This one is 50 comparing to the y-axis, and it is almost here 55. This is here 45. This one is 50. Again these two are equal, so it is also 50. This one is 40. And these two are going parallel to 60, so this is 60 and 60. Now maximum improvement is here, and the improvement jump is 60 minus 30. It is 30. Here is improvement, but it is only of 5 marks. 55 minus 50, only 5 marks are improved. Here also 45 becomes 50 next year, so 5 marks improvement is there. So maximum improvement is in the subject of maths. In which subject there is maximum improvement? Maths. Answer is maths, and the improvement is 60 minus 30, that is 30 marks. It is a big jump. Like this we can answer the asked questions. Next question. In which subject there is decline in marks? Decline, downfall. The marks of green color are reduced, and we have already seen this is the subject where the green color is less. In all other subjects the color is increasing or the color is same, but in the subject of English the marks are reduced. So we write English. Our answer should be English is the subject where the marks are reduced in the year 2006-07. And what is the difference? It is 50 minus 40 is equal to 10 marks. 10 marks are less from the previous year. Now the last question. In which subject there is no fluctuation of marks? The marks are neither increasing nor decreasing, and it is here. It is Hindi. The answer is in Hindi the marks are not fluctuating. They are remaining on 60. 60 marks are not increasing nor decreasing. In this way, it is quite easy and interesting to answer the asked questions when we are able to understand a bar graph properly. We have to read these axes, the things given over here, and compare these values, the tips of these bars, with the y-axis values. So friends, practice this type of sums of single bar graph and double bar graph from your course book, and ask for your inquiries in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the notification of more videos. For today it is enough. We will discuss some more sums in our next video. Till then, take care and work hard. Bye bye.